We are a cloud nation, an emerging nation. We've been around for about 4.25 years, putting in solid foundations, because we need to be here for generations, not just a few weeks, months or years like most of the websites online. We are now in a position where we are expanding our economy, and that will benefit all our citizens because it'll improve the liquidity and the value of our currency, and all our citizens hold our currency. Anybody can become a citizen. There is no obligation, there's no fee. You just come along, prove you're a real person, and that's all there is to it. Once you are accepted as a citizen, and everybody is, then you are treated equally with every other citizen. We don't pigeonhole you because of where you come from or what you look like or anything else. We're a non-separatist organization. That means we don't separate people for any reason. We just see everybody as a human being, part of one big family of humanity, all linked together. And we'll be having a little affirmation in a moment to help us with that ideology. Everybody seeks in life, which is true happiness, everlasting bliss, not short-term pleasure. Don't confuse pleasure and happiness. Pleasure, short-term pleasure you get from buying a new car, riding a fairground ride, paying off your credit cards, all sorts of little things, and you get these pleasurable feelings from. But that deep-rooted inner happiness is something that you can't buy. A lot of people with a lot of money are still searching for it. They don't really know what they're looking for, but they know there's something missing from their life. And it is that bliss, and you can only get that through loving service to others. The great thing about being of loving service to others is the more you go about your life in that way, the more everything else that you want and need in life will flow to you. You don't have to chase after money. You don't have to worry about how you're going to make time to do things. It'll all just start fitting into place and working for you.